So this is my first piece, you guys. It's a black and white jumpsuit. I paid $13.99 for this piece. It's a size small. Actually, all the pieces that I purchased for this haul, it's a size small, okay? So I'm just putting that out there. Everything that I purchased is a size small. I really like this piece, and what I do like about it is that it's very stretchy. Like the material, it's stretchy, it's very comfortable. I like it, okay? Let me know what you think of this piece, okay? So this dress, let's get into this dress, okay? This multi-print dress. I paid $12.99. The original price is $15.99. You know, we're out here saving our coins, okay? And it's very stretchy, but what I don't really like about it, it's a little bit short, okay? It's a little bit on the shorter side. Like the front, it looks good, but at the back, like my ass is dropping out, okay? And that's not gonna work for me. And I also got this necklace that could maybe go with this dress. It's like $9.99, $10. I purchased the necklace. And let's get into this piece, okay? Let's get into this leopard print set. I paid $15.99 for this set, you guys. The original price is $16.99, so I saved the buck. I saved the dollar, okay? And the material, it's very stretchy as well. I'm not a fan of the material because I'd prefer if it was cotton, but I don't really like that shiny speedo looking material. Like it's not for me, but hey, I can work with it, okay? I can work with it. Let me know what you guys think of this piece, okay? So let's just get into the other piece. So this orange set, you guys, I paid $17.99, so $18. The original price, it was $21. Okay, so this biker shorts, this is not gonna work, okay? This is just not gonna work. I don't understand. Like I purchased the size small and it's still too big. Like this makes no sense. It makes no sense. Like the top fits, but the bottom, it's like it's too big. So that's not gonna work. The material, it's stretchy. It's still not cotton. I'm not a huge fan of these speedo looking material, but I can work with it for now, okay? So this dress, this striped dress, I paid $12.99 for this dress. I like this dress. It's okay. It's very simple. Like I can wear it to the grocery store or something of that sort. Like it's stretchy. It hugs the body. Like I think I could work with that dress, you guys. So now I'm gonna get into this gray set, this pant set. Now, I like this set, but let me tell you, I paid $15.99, so I paid $16 for this set, okay? It's stretchy, I like the material and everything, but come on. Like, the problem that I have with this set, you guys, the picture, when I was making the purchase, at the pants were to the girl's ankles, but then when I bought this set, you guys, like, I noticed the pants were, like, it was too short. It's almost like I am about to maybe like expect a flood or something. Like how is this gonna work? Like what is this? What is this? You know, but whatever. Anyways, you guys, this top and this pants. So let's talk about the top first. So I bought this crop top for $14.99. When I received the top, it just came with like a random string. So I wasn't sure if I was supposed to lace it up to the top or if I was supposed to lace it to the bottom. But as you can see, the model, like she laced it to the bottom there. So I guess I did it the wrong way. But I like the top. I like it. And the pants, like I really like the fit of the pant. It's comfortable. I tend not to buy pants from these Chinese online stores or whatever, but these pants, I like them. It's very stretchy, it's very comfy, and I think I can work with it. Let me know what you guys think, yeah, as you can see, like it's super stretchy and it's very comfortable. And when I'm walking, the crutch is not falling to my knees. Like I hate those jeans when you're walking and the crutch, it's just like, it just keeps going down. Every step you take, the crutch is going down. But not these pants. That's what I like about it, and it's also very comfortable. So let's just get into the other piece, you guys. So this t-shirt, I paid $10 for it. The original price, it was $13, so it's super cheap. It's very comfortable, it's very casual, nothing fussy, you know. And I also bought these jeans, these black ripped jeans for $14. It's comfortable. I think it's a little bit too big. I don't normally wear my jeans that big. It's a size small as well, so I don't understand why it's so big. Yeah, I don't understand why it's so big, but I think I could work with it. I don't have a choice because I'm not returning. No, that's too much work. It's too much work to return it, so I'll just keep it. But let me know what you guys think. Like, have you guys ever shopped at Blushmark before? It's my very first time shopping with Blushmark, and I think their pieces are okay. So let me know what you guys think. And actually, I think this is my last piece. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this quick try on haul. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with a friend. Oh, y'all, let's get into this hair, okay? I made this wig, and I'm gonna put the video I have a video of this, me making this wig, so I'll put it in the description bar below. So that's it, that's all. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.